Perfect, perfect, perfect,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you the first wig I made using a sewing machine. And I wasn't gonna upload this video because this wig has a lot of mistakes and errors, but I decided to show you guys anyway because that's the reality of it. So I don't want to sit here and act like everything is perfect and I didn't struggle to make this wig, because I did. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did struggle, and you're gonna see it later on in this video, but it's a learning process, so bear with me. And just like my previous video, I'm not gonna show you guys how I made this wig. I'm just showing you how the wig came out and how it looks on my head. So if you guys are interested, keep watching. But before I continue, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more, and also turn on your post notifications so you know when I drop a new video. So right now I'm showing you guys what the wig is looking like, and honestly on the foam head it looks pretty good. You guys, my biggest struggle was doubling the wefts and trying to figure out how to sew them together. I think I spent about 2 days trying to figure out how to do it. And I know it sounds and looks very easy, but I had a hard time figuring it out.
just watch me. Just watch me.
A next thing I struggled with was bulkiness in the back of the wig. It's not really visible on the foam head. Later on in this video, you guys are gonna see that the back of my hair is very lumpy and bulky, but I did fix it. And I'm gonna share all of this with you guys when I'm ready to drop my in-depth video about making a sewing machine wig.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait to see if it's worth your while. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me. Just watch me. watch me. Just watch me.
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
This is what I was trying to explain you guys earlier about the wig being very bulky at the back. Hope you guys can see it. But all in all, I give this wig a 7 out of 10. I found it came out pretty okay for the first time. I would love to know what you guys think, so don't forget to leave me a comment down below. But anyhow, I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Just watch me.